Hey guys, it's Steph Hyatt, and I'm your independent insurance sales lady for all things life insurance. And I just wanted to jump on today and explain what final expense insurance is. I don't think everyone knows what this is or if it's available to them. So typically, final expense insurance is a whole life type policy. So it's something that you're going to be purchasing usually after the age of 45. Most policies are 45 up to 85 on average, depending on the company. And it's basically enough insurance that will pay out upon your death to whoever you choose as your beneficiary, so whoever's in charge of your estate. So it could be a child or whoever you deem that to be. And basically, you are going to pay a small amount per month. The average is $30 to $70 a month for about $10,000 to $15,000 in coverage. And the average expense right now for a funeral in Washington State is right about that $10,000 to $12,000 mark. Of course, this can vary depending on your health, your age, what exactly you want out of your funeral, and things like that. But it's at least a good starting point. So if you don't have final expense insurance, I would love to talk more with you and just let you know that it is really a good thing to consider so that you're not leaving that final expense to someone else, to one of your loved ones. That's not something that you're going to want to do, right? So if it's something that you haven't thought about, I know it's not something that we like to think about, but it's a good thing to just get done, and then you can put it on the shelf and not have to think about it, and you know that you're taken care of. So final expense insurance is a type of life insurance. It's a whole life policy, and it's something that you can enact when you're about 45 years old. It's going to stay with you all the way up until you pass, and then that's going to allow your beneficiary to collect a check to then pay for your funeral expenses so that that's not left on anybody. You don't want to leave your friends and family to have to do a GoFundMe in order to bury you or cremate you, right?